Hey beautiful friends, it is Karissa here. I have a carbon monoxide alarm. Just plug it into the wall and it alerts you if there is carbon monoxide that's been kind of floating around in the air. This one has a 10-year backup battery. That's pretty awesome. 3 color breathing lights, and let's see what the instructions say about the breathing lights. So that way I know when I plug it in, I'll know what to be on the lookout for. So let's see. You've got your different manuals here. It will make an alarm if there is carbon monoxide put out into the air. 4 short beeps followed by 5 seconds of silence. So it will be red, it will be flashing red. There's carbon monoxide. This is something you'll want to keep plugged in, kind of like you have your like fire alarm thingies plugged in all the time. This is something you definitely want to have plugged in all the time as well. All right, so here we are plugging it in. So red is the alarm, green just means it's on, and yellow means that there's a problem with it. Right now it's showing green, so we're good to go. You can test it, press that test button, and everything is good. So very good to know we don't have any carbon monoxide in here.